These are the frequently asked questions, and by the time someone joins in, you can always contact me regarding the same, or you can always ask questions from me. Also, I'm really sorry for running late. I have been running to and fro today, so uh, that is why I'm really sorry. Ma'am, for current affairs, are magazines of a selected coaching and newspaper enough? Newspaper is very good. You can also access the monthly magazines. They were good. However, I also did the daily portals for the same. So you can also look at the daily portals. I hope they will help as well, so you can look at those as well. So the daily portals of any coaching, the daily current affairs, if you have access to them, you can do that. That would be an added thing to your current affairs. Otherwise, if you are referring to the magazines as well as the newspaper, I think they should be enough as well. um, hi everyone. Hi, plan B क्या होना चाहिए after two attempts? So you have already if you have already sat for two attempts, you should always identify what you would like to go for. For instance, for me, the plan B was to appear for my masters, so that I can open up avenues for PhD and for sitting for net JRF as well. So that was a plan B for me. I was vouching for sitting for academics. That was what I was vouching for. However, you should listen to your calling, and maybe you'll able to find yourself. So spend like a week or two in identifying your interest. I think that should help you more. Apurv, hi. Ma'am, how did you manage your social life during preparation? Okay, this is how I manage my social life during preparation. I keep running. I keep running far and wide here and there. So even today, like I was in Delhi, and there was a lot of traffic, and I just reached home. I haven't even had water or food, so I've been running far and wide without food and water. So that's how I was able to manage everything. I mean, it's not managing, but somehow it happened. um all right, more. Is coaching really needed because of financial problems? If you have financial problems, I am ready to help you at a personal level, not in monetary terms, but guiding you in terms of guidance. So coaching is not very helpful if this is what you were looking for. Coaching is not very helpful. All you need to identify is your source list, and sticking to your sources is very important. Reading current affairs every day is very important. So if you stick to your strategy, then I think you don't really need coaching. So for that, you can actually look into book lists of various toppers. So I would say, for optional, you can find out who has scored well in your optional. Go through their source list, and that I think would help in terms of optional. And in terms of GS, various toppers have given their source list. For instance, Srushti ma'am has given her source list. Then Akshay Jain sir's source list is something that I particularly followed, and that has helped me greatly. So you can follow those source lists. I would also be releasing my sources very soon, so you can also follow them. Coaching is not very important. It's okay. You can skip that part. Um, okay, then you have hello. Um, how to start mains preparation? Interesting question. So mains preparation does not happen overnight. You need to begin it at an early stage. However, do not start it before like 2 and a half months of preparation, because by then you are not good enough, or you haven't understood the subject enough to be able to write a good answer. So if you do that, then that would be a very false assessment of yourself. So I would suggest that you start it after 2.5 months of your preparation, or maybe 3 months of your preparation. And it goes in two stages. So basically, the first stage, you need to for the first stage, you need to just assess yourself. This is the time you don't need to look into perfection. However, You don't need to look into perfection at this stage, but you just need to assess your strengths and weaknesses. So do this till 2 months before prelims, and after prelims then you can get into intensive process of answer writing, wherein you need to master yourself. So in 2 stages I would suggest you do your answer writing. I am now first year of degree. I'm planning to give my first attempt in 2026. What should be my plan? And my plan B is MBA. Very good. I'm really impressed that you have a plan B already. That you have a plan B already planned. So it is a very good. It is a very good thing, and I see clarity in your thinking. So good luck about that. Also, you can at this point you can start by reading newspapers, by understanding the news. So that would be the best way to go forward with you. Also, you can start with some basic NCRTs. I think that will help you, because by the time you are there into the intensive preparation process, you would already have a basic idea of what the exam is about or what the syllabus is about. However, begin NCRTs not blindly, but after seeing the syllabus. So that is what I would recommend at this stage for you, Sandeep. All right. Thanks, ma'am, for the first question. Ma'am, not coming from a maths background troubles me in a few CSAT papers. Will it be wise to study NCRT basics, or are there any books for CSAT and all? There are various coachings that give you CSAT, that prepare you for CSAT as well. If your maths is not very good, I would suggest that you focus on your comprehension and the reasoning part firstly, and after that you move towards maths. For maths, I would strongly advise that begin with class 6, begin with the topics, class 6 CBSE or NCRT books, and begin with the topics, the contents, prepare them very well. And so go forward in that manner. I think that will help you. That will help you with your maths. And moreover, I think it is Amit Garg sir whose classes are really popular. You might find a few topic-wise class on YouTube as well if you're looking for that, and or you can always join his course. दीदी अभी 12th की है, फर्स्ट ईयर से ही स्टार्ट कर दूँ तैयारी, या फिर सेकेंड ईयर से करूँ और BA ऑनर्स करूँ ये प्रोग्राम? 12th की है, अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में आपको अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में आपको इंटरेस्ट है तो आप ऑफ कोर्स ऑनर्स कर सकते हैं, और अगर आपको ये है कि मुझे सिर्फ यूपीएससी के पर्सपेक्टिव से ही पढ़ाई करनी है तो आप बीए प्रोग्राम चूज कर सकते हैं। और अभी तो फर्स्ट ईयर है यार, मजे करो, सेकेंड ईयर से करना। Or maybe not. I mean, I am not like, if I were in your place, I would have gone with second year. So yeah. How to start means answer writing preparation? I've already answered that question. It goes in 2 stages. After around 3 months of your preparation, till 2 months before prelims, and then after prelims, first stage would be your assessment stage, wherein you assess your strengths and weaknesses. Second stage is the stage where you perfect yourself. So it comes in 2 stages. Talking about answer writing, you can begin with seeing toppers copies, try to write in pointers, try to write crisp answers. Schematics can also help, but I couldn't do that because I'm a very slow writer, and I knew if I try to incorporate schematics into my answer writing process, I would never be able to complete the paper. So you also have to identify your weaknesses there, and should tweak the strategy according to your needs. Ma'am, can you please explain how to cover environment for both pre and mains? This is a very difficult question. Talking about environment for prelims and mains, we have seen a rise in the portion of environmental studies. We have seen that, and there is no particular source that you can refer to for environment. Though many people read Shankar IAS book for environment, my friends have done that, though I haven't read that. I have read Vaishali Anand ma'am's book for environment and ecology. So you can always have a look. However, these talk about basic concepts. In order to be able to answer the questions related to environment, I think current affairs, you'll have to do very intensive current affairs practice. That is the thing that will help you in the long run.